Welcome to the Informatics. I am Redmi 10A and I'll show you how to change notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings application and then scroll down to the sound and vibration. After that, click here to notifications. Here we can see the online ringtones, online notification sound. You can use them if you connected to the Wi-Fi or to another mobile data. And also you can use your your default notification sounds. Just to do that, you should switch ringtones to profile and then click here to ringtones again. And after that, we can just select one from these sounds and then click here to apply. Okay, this is. Then just tap here to OK, and that's it. Now when we'll go back here, we can see that our notification sound has changed successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.